Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. If you want to change the straps on your watch, first you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap we have this lever we can pull on. And basically how it works is you pull on the lever towards the middle of the strap and it will let you to pull out the strap from the watch. So let's try to pull on this lever. It might be hard sometimes because the tension on it is quite high, but once you pull on the lever it will let you to pull out the strap from the watch. And this mechanism is quite simple. You basically have pin on each side of the strap, and one of them is basically retractable. The pin with the lever is retractable. When you pull on the lever, it retracts the pin, and that pin basically releases the strap from the hole on the watch and then lets you to pull out the strap. Quite simple. And once you get the new straps and you want to put them on, you grab the strap, grab your watch of course, you take the end opposite of the lever and you insert it into a hole on the watch, like this. Then you pull on the lever and retract the pin. And once you do, like I said, sometimes it's a bit hard, but once you retract the pin, you basically align the pin with the hole on the watch. Come on, don't fight me. Oh, align it with the hole, release it, and then it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Same on the other side. So insert on one side, maybe like this. Insert on one side, pull on the pin, align it. Sometimes, like I said, the tension on the lever is kinda high, so it's hard to pull on it. So it's a bit of a struggle sometimes. Let me try like this. Okay, we pulled on it, we align it with the hole, released it, it clicked in, and now it's holding. So sometimes you need to fight with it, but it's not that hard. And here we have it. That's how you change the straps on this watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.